What's up? You already know who it is. Chaotic the Castaway. I'm up in this bitch. We about to hold it down at Club Fusion tonight. Put on a show like, I ain't gonna say like they ain't never seen before. I'm gonna say like they seen the greatest do before. You know what I'm saying? It's been done and it's gonna stay getting done with a nigga like this. You know what I'm saying? Because as you can see, I am hip hop. We gonna keep it hip hop. Got another announcement. Detox Entertainment, newly signed artist, Chaotic the Castaway, signed under Koch Records. You know what I'm saying? So we about to do this shit. You know what I'm saying? We going all the way to the top now. Ain't no stopping a real hip hop player. You feel me? A man who can express it. On this side, I see a G. On that side, I see a poet who's talking about me. They got me mixed up, they think I'm something else. So please allow me to introduce myself. A man of many talents, I hustle for the dollar. A caring, loving husband, a true devoted father. I'm not your average rapper, that's cause I'm mixed with poet. I keep a special clip, my heart is fully loaded. And I be shooting game, I'm like a moving train. So when I battle, it's evolution for the human brain. Witness my elevation, I'm living a rapper's dream. I'm opening doors for others, I do this for my team. Now I don't mean to brag, but I deserve the green. Cause I'm the filthiest poet Seattle's ever seen. So now you know me in my humble aggression. If there's something you wanna know, feel free to ask me a question. It's time for me to step and follow the path that I'm destined. Still got a lot to learn and every day is a lesson. A poet's reflection.